Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we are talking about how to make money with ChatGPT. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. ChatGPT is a prototype artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI which specializes in dialogue. The chatbot is a large language model fine-tuned with both supervised and will help you make money. Here in this video, we'll discuss the top 10 ways ChatGPT will help you make money in business. Number 10. Create videos using ChatGPT. You can combine ChatGPT with other technologies to create videos you can sell to make money. Use these programs together and cleverly to make excellent videos. Below are some examples of these technologies: Pictory, Murph.ai, Speechify, etc. Use AI technology to automatically turn long-form content and text into video content in short videos. Short videos are great for social sharing, product recommendations, explainer videos, product demos, or other marketing videos. And ChatGPT is the perfect tool to create the right scripts or video instructions. Once you've created your video, you need a voiceover. ChatGPT can create voiceover scripts, and text-to-speech technologies can transform them into the voiceovers you want. How to make money online with ChatGPT. You could use ChatGPT to generate scripts or instructions to create visual elements of the videos and scripts for professional-sounding voiceovers. Number 9. Offer copywriting services. Copywriting can be tedious, especially if you have to write day in and day out. I find that ChatGPT helps you with inspiration or writer's block. A content creator crafting persuasive and effective copy that will convert often just needs a push or a new direction. You can instruct ChatGPT to write using specific copywriting frameworks like PAS, AIDA, and BAB. For example, use prompts such as generate a PAS, problem, agitate, and solve for this written content. Write a BAB, before-after bridge, about this topic. Create an AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and action for this article. Get the AI to rewrite till you get something close to what you can use. Then you can offer professional copywriting services, whether it's website copy, product descriptions, or ad copy. By using ChatGPT to assist you, you can generate copy much faster. Number 8. Write and self-publish ebooks. Trying to get ChatGPT to write a full-length fiction novel is a time-consuming process. You need to work with the AI to get what you want and keep refining your prompts. Below is an example of a standard novel. Novels are great sellers and are pretty formulaic. Once you get used to the formulas and which person in the novel is the hero, you can quickly write and sell books. Keep going with ChatGPT. If you're persistent, prepare to do the work it can't, and be patient. ChatGPT may be the answer to making money faster and writing ebooks. Number 7. Offer translation services. Language translation seems straightforward, but there is much more to it than meets the eye. To successfully translate text, you have to consider cultural subtleties, technical words, purpose, audience, etc. Since ChatGPT is a machine learning model, you can train it to translate all the subtleties in languages, but it would cost a fortune and take time. The fastest way to make money providing translation services is to offer the simplest form of translation. Standard translation doesn't need idioms or cultural differences in the text, so you can use ChatGPT to translate manuals, training materials, and product descriptions, which are massive areas of opportunity. For example, if you want to test ChatGPT's abilities, choose a paragraph that's easy to check. In the example below, a paragraph of standard translation written in English is translated into Spanish. To check the accuracy of the translation, you could check with Google Translate or ask ChatGPT to translate the generated Spanish back into English and compare the two. Number 6. Update video descriptions. YouTube gives us about 5,000 characters or around 500 words for video descriptions. It's usually the first 150 characters that will show in your search results. This is the part that has the most impact on what the audience does, and YouTube classifies it for SEO purposes. Copy and paste your existing video description in the ChatGPT prompt and instruct it to rewrite. Make sure ChatGPT uses the simplest language possible, writes no more than 150 characters, and includes what the video is about from an SEO standpoint. YouTube's default sorting algorithm is by relevance, so the more relevant you can make the title to the search query, the more likely it is to appear in a search. Once you get used to the instructions you need for ChatGPT to update YouTube video descriptions, it can almost become your virtual assistant. You can offer your services as a description updater and SEO optimization specialist. Bear in mind, there are billions of videos on YouTube. If you market your services well, you should get plenty of work. Number 5. Generate business names and slogans. It is relatively easy to generate business names and slogans using ChatGPT. You could always follow a guide like how to name your business. But you could also prompt the AI model with details on what you want, who the name and slogan are for, location, financial demographics, etc., and it will generate suggestions based on its training data. For example, ask it to generate 10 business names and slogans for a new shoe store in New York City. It only took a few seconds, and it generated 10 suggestions. Test them on Google first to see if there's anything similar. Then search social media platforms for variations to see if it might already be taken. And you can do a national trademark search online for free and search state by state. Fiverr is the best place to sell business names and slogans. Finding something fresh and new with ChatGPT could help you make some money. Number 4. Use ChatGPT to write code for simple web tools. ChatGPT can do more than generate human-like text. You can use it to design web tools for your website. For example, if you need a calculator that your sales team can use to calculate commission, ChatGPT can create one for you. And if your commission rates change, it takes very little time to change them without paying someone to do it. Number 3. Blogging. As we all know by now, clear, detailed instructions are necessary for ChatGPT to produce high-quality content that is more likely to be highly original or adopt a certain point of view. You'll need to include the angle you want to take on the article and any relevant background information. You have to make the blog your own though, with your own unique voice and perspective. Here, you can put originality.ai to good use by checking the percentage of AI text and plagiarism. As usual, you're not going to get perfect output, but it can save a lot of time, especially if you need to rewrite or update multiple blog posts. Updating blog posts is essential and needs to be done often, so offering your services to do this may be highly lucrative. Given the right input, you can use ChatGPT to write a whole article for you. I suggest you follow your usual process of writing a blog post and ask ChatGPT for suggestions and help at any stage, for instance. Number 2. Rewrite blog posts and blog post titles. This one's a bit easier, since you're not asking the AI to write new content for you, but only to update existing blog post content to increase traffic. You'll have to research SEO and decide which keywords to include. Copy and paste and let ChatGPT do the work for you. As usual, you're not going to get perfect output, but it can save a lot of time, especially if you need to rewrite or update multiple blog posts. Updating blog posts is essential and needs to be done often, so offering your services to do this may be highly lucrative. Number 1. Write social media content. Social media posts are where ChatGPT is really impressive. Short tweets, Instagram captions, lengthy articles and postings on LinkedIn, replies, retweets, comments, and scripts from TikTok, Facebook Messenger, and YouTube Shorts are all examples of social media content writing. The shorter the post, the better the output. And it's so fast. ChatGPT will provide you the best output for your social media post title. At first glance, the output looks quite good, but ChatGPT tends to offer the same sorts of intros, such as "Are you tired of?" etc. It needed editing and personalizing, but what ChatGPT gave was a good start. As always, new technology can be very scary for many people. The first thing to worry about is, will the AI take my job? In some areas, yes it will, just like any new machine that can move humans out of the way. However, it opens a whole new world of possibilities and paves the way for new job descriptions. For example, prompt engineering is already an in-demand skill set. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.